Son, you should be asleep.
I was thirsty.
Yeah, come here.
Dad, are you gonna get us a new mom?
I don't want another. Your mom was the only woman for me. She was the love of my life. But with love comes loss, son. It's part of the deal. Sometimes it hurts, but in the end, it's all worth it. There's no greater gift than love.
But it's not me.
Sure it is. It's you, but, you know, bigger, stronger.
Now that's the son of a chief.
You see what I mean?
What do I have to do to get my father to accept me?
You're not my son.
He killed hundreds of us! And we've killed thousands of them!
Hiccup!
Go ahead, be gone with it. Go ahead, be gone with it.
Extremely dangerous. Kill on sight, kill on sight, kill on sight. Night Fury. Speed unknown. Size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself.
Obviously. Like a little puppy. Yeah. Feel me?
Hey, ho, here she go. Either a little too high or a little too low. Got no self-esteem and vertigo. Cause she thinks she's made of candy. Hey, ho, here she go. Either a little too loud or a little too close. Got a hurricane to the back of her throat. She thinks she's made of candy.
Are you doing?
Why are you still holding back? Have you forgotten what they said to us? What they did? They think you're a monster. Prove them right.
I was born to run, I was born for this. Whip, whip, run me like a racehorse, hold me like a ripcord, break me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip, slip, word upon your lip, lip, better that you rip, rip, break me down and build me up. Whatever it takes.
Looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid, and I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got mine, but you all get yours. But I got smarter, I got harder in the nick of time. I rose up from the dead, I do as
you playing anymore? You had me when I said before. You better put it down. Make me say, you know what I like. Come on, put your body on, right. Keep it up all night. Don't let me down.
300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
First to ride one, though.
By the way, it's not really Dragon Conqueror. It's Dragon Trainer. Toothless, battle ready! Charge! Now! Sharp shot! Fire! Now!
I never think before I jump, and you're the kind of guy the ladies want. And there's a lot of cool chicks out there. I know that I would psycho on the phone. I never leave well enough alone, and trouble's gonna follow where I go. And there's a lot of cool chicks out there, but one of these things is not like the others, like a ring.
Fish legs?